Nag-echo daw.
Oh, my bad. Wait, siguro mag-mute yung isa, no? Okay.
Narinig niyo ba kami?
Rinig niyo ba sila, guys, kahit ganyan?
Horizon Cairo. Na
Horizon Cairo, yeah, bro.
pwede. No.
Guys, we're in different accounts pero magkasamat kami lahat. So, amazing, bro. Oh,
Oh, yeah. Work out talaga?
abangan ko Summer Blast 2026. Wow.
Sana
Grabe
kasama
naman.
na tayo dun,
Yeah,
no?
sana Cloud7, X Horizon, bro.
Tung 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 sa
Guys, check my TikTok. Ilang views na ba yun, guys? Kaya hindi ko pa na-check. Hello sa mga bagong join.
C7 Marcos.
C7 more, yeah. Pwede din, pwede.
That's why.
Pwede C7
4M daw. 4.2.
4.2 na ngayon? Yung TikTok ko na brain rot.
Umabot ng 4.2M bro. Toughness.
It was just brain rot.
What did brain rot?
Me.
Tung 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 sahur.
Like the brr patapir, like that thing, bro.
Tralalelo tralala.
That's so crazy. How was your day? Yeah, we spent the day together actually, kaming apat. Kumain kami sa TGIF.
Yeah, bro. Dapat kasi, like, we're gonna hang out with someone.
And then, na-change plans.
Bro, change plans.
Yeah.
And this is good, bro.
Yeah. Tough pa din.
Thinking you higher, we are
Nakita ko yung dinadala ka sa lupa. Ano yan?
Dinadala ka sa ulap.
Sa ulap pala.
Bro,
Lupa? What's lupa?
Tagalog version
Ulap
yun.
pala. Dinadala ka sa ulap. Kami ang
Pitong
cloud.
ulap.
Itong ulap. Bro, what's happening sa kanila?
Oo bro, di natin sila naririnig eh. Di rin sila naririnig doon kasi wala silang mic.
Okay.
Buti na lang, anong ginawa
Ano
nyo?
na naman yan?
Oh.
2 times.
Oh my God. Okay lang. At
Gay na.
oh guys, magka-call kami pero...
Yeah, magka-call kami pero magkatapat kami. They're just like right there.
Point it out.
That's what's going on.
Thank you. Sabi niya, enjoy the night guys.
Thank you. We are enjoying the night.
Diba? Cloud7 X Horizon.
Yeah,
no?
tough, diba?
With Tofi.
X
Oh my
Tofi,
God,
bro.
Cloud-
I'm the non-showbiz friend.
Nah.
He's like... He's the...
Yeah, bro,
he's an
he's an influencer, bro. By the way, thank you to yung sa nag-sponsor sa amin,
Mr.
TGIF.
We're not allowed to
We're not allowed to say that?
say that, bro.
We're not branded.
Yeah, that's a brand, man. You really have a death wish, bro. Thank you, Papa.
Hey, I'm just trying to be nice.
No, bro, we're just like...
But you don't have to say the
Brand. Don't say brands, man.
Thank you sa nag-sponsor sa amin for dinner. Yeah.
Thank you na lang.
Thank you. Hala, na doble yung glasses mo. Yeah.
Sa'yo na
Akin na
lang.
lang yung glasses.
How do you have that?
No bro.
It's already nice, man. Don't say it. What you mean?
Saan si Jero? Ba't Jero? Jero ba? Dapat to Jero talaga.
Jiro yan, Jiro.
J.I.?
Yeah, J.I.
Toughness. Sa'yo mo daw yung taran.
Guys, my
Yeah,
dreams
gawin
are
mo.
waking.
No, like this one.
Paano ba yun?
So, gawin. My dreams
No,
are
that's one thing
waking up.
Come and bring me up. Nasa malayo sa musika. Let's go! Pero guys, ako, na-aral ko na yung tayo na't pumili. Ay,
Wait, what's the story? Sorry.
Skull.
tayo na't pumiling-giling. Papagising. Tayo na't pumiling-giling.
Do it.
Bro, pati louder, di ba?
Tsaka louder, bro. Guys, tiniktok namin yun. Nakita nyo ba yung behind the scenes namin? Pinost ni Tita, di ba?
Guys, yung mga umatenda ng mga shows namin, alam nyo, sinasayaw ko dati 16, bro.
Yes! Tapos nakita ko din yun during ginagawa niya.
Tapos ngayon,
Oh, wait lang.
toughness.
Toughness.
Oh yeah, should be end.
That's
You should end. Okay lang. Excellent na lang.
Bakit?
Fan service po.
Fan service?
We're gonna do something.
Pero mag-join ulit kayo.
Ano fan
After.
service? What do you mean?
Parang yung nire-request ata kay Tofi.
This one.
What TikTok?
Like fan service, like for example, your fans. They're like asking me.
Huwag mo gamitin yun sa akin.
Gagamitin ko ito.
Kamusta, Marco?
Ballerina Cappuccina. Yes.
Yes, dude.
Boys, it's this one.
Ano pa ba, pre? Tralalelo,
Tralalala, tralala. Chimpanzini banani.
Ano ba? Pre, ay guys, mag-ano nga kayo ng mga brain rot Italian words, bro. Babasahin namin. Dali. Tung Marcos.
Tung Marcos, yes. Tough yan.
We're gonna do mine first.
Tralalelo, tropa lang?
Oh,
Wag naman sana.
yeah.
Ano
Ano yan? Ballerina.
No, alam mo yung ano?
Man, it looks so Korean as fuck.
Wag naman sana, no?
Ano nag-call tayo? Yes.
Labis na nahihindi.
Nayaya mo sa bawat saglit.
Ano ba? Ano yun? Ano yung part niya, ano bro? Kapag naalala ka, wala naman.
We have a drink, man.
Umuwi ka na, baby. Okay, ako muna magla-live, guys. Kasi iniwan nila ako. They're gonna go get a drink. Get our drinks. Pero yun, kamusta? I hope you guys are doing well. There they are.
No, it's some high school kasi bro. The orders
Does anyone have a power bank?
This is like,
Do you have a power bank?
I do, bro.
Nice. Okay, later. Can I borrow later, bro? Sige.
What's your drink, Marcus? This one, diba?
Yeah, that's my drink.
Yes. Okay, bawal.
Ay, bawal. Ay,
oh, brand again.
oh, another brand, bro.
Just cover it,
I
bro.
feel like
Yeah,
someone's
yeah,
calling me.
Wait lang.
I
What?
feel like we know who that is. Exactly.
Yeah.
What will I say?
So we're like, ano na tayo, guys?
What will I say? What will I say?
Wait lang, Papa.
Wait lang.
Ano po?
Naka-live.
Nag-TikTok po.
Nag-TikTok.
The Starbucks.
Yes, guys. Sana hindi nanonood si Tito ngayon.
Okay, wait.
Saan tayo dadaan? Cairo.
I saw Gentle Monster.
Ay, no wait. Ano na lang?
Ay, daw, nag-vote na
Wolfgang.
pala tayo, bro.
Wolfgang.
Nandito ako sa Starbucks ngayon. Nagtitik.
Chan si Kyler. Guys, bakit ako dalawa-dalawa yung sila, Ben?
Sige.
Okay.
Opo, manonood ako sa Viva Cafe sa 3. Paano yung tatayo?
Yun nga eh.
Bro, try mo nga going upside down. This is gonna be weird.
Restroom.
Guys, okay lang ba pag ganyan yung live?
Pero hindi natin mabasa yung comments.
Yun nga eh. Wait. Let me figure something out.
I do my comments.
Grabe. Parang siya nag-block blast, no?
No!
Gumagawa siya ngayon din sa ano. Okay, phone ko.
Okay, sige.
Tabot. So,
Wait lang.
kailangan natin mas big, bro.
Tough.
Yun!
Oh!
Doing it!
Guys, kaninong account yun? Kaninong account? Your, okay guys.
Oh no.
Get ready.
Kami game. 1,
Sige.
2, 3.
It's okay.
Really ba?
It's funny, yeah.
Yo! Toughness, bro! Someone gumawa na kayo ng edit.
Sino James?
James, he's my top number 1 editor right now.
Oh, tough James.
Like when I say number 1, I mean like super frequent niya gumawa ng edits, bro. And like Yeah, mga tough edits yan. Like every day, bro, may bagong edit.
Wait, sino to? Bro, who's Inigo?
Kaya nga, bakit Inigo yung
Inigo?
nakalagay? Fake name? Fake name?
You don't do that.
Wait, nasan yung... Wala bang straw? Walang straw?
I have straw. Wait,
Guys, nakulangan ng isang straw.
no, it's like naiipit siguro kasi it's like mataas. I know. Wait, what?
Wait,
Ako na.
Sige, bro. Thank you, bro. Narinig niyo ba yun, guys? Ginagawa nila yung trend. Okay lang ba yung ano? Yung audio? Rinig naman ba ako? Am I heard right now? Is the audio fine?
It's good though.
Kai, thank you. You're the best.
Thanks, man. Bro, may nabangga akong tao doon. Ano like, Nung pagtingin sa akin, galit siya. Pero nung nakita niya ako na sorry ako, biglang ngumiti na rin sa akin.
Di kasi sobrang charming mo daw.
Dude, like,
Sobrang pogi ni
siguro
Kai.
ano, sabi nila, ay buti nag-sorry to. Kung di na nag-sorry bro, he's dead. Kasi sabi ko,
Sabi niya, hala, ang pogi naman pala ng bumangga sa akin. Never
Ang
mind.
glasses ko, dalawa.
Ayan.
Big story, no?
Yeah, pwede yun.
Pwede yun, stories kasi kahit hindi madalo.
Yeah.
Sign up stories. Parang kumain lang.
Yeah.
Pwede.
Gago. Basta just don't mention anything.
No, but like location.
Location, pwede?
Location.
Okay.
Ah, sige.
Bakit lang?
Sige.
Who's gonna stop?
Who's gonna stop us, dude?
Who's gonna stop me?
No, you ruined the blockbusting.
Okay lang, EJ.
Ay, uwi na tayo maya-maya.
Kaya ano, sorry.
Hindi pa tayo nagtitiktok.
Kaya nga tol, gusto mo ba?
Wait, anong oras, guys? We're gonna end the live
I'm like,
in like 1 minute kasi we have to take TikToks. BBB house guest Marcos. Yes, guys, soon.
alam niyo ba yung mga drinks nila dun sa PBB? Tinitikman na namin eh.
Yeah, real.
Yeah bro, tinitikman. Ready na kami.
Yeah.
So, PBB,
Oh, that's good though. That's good.
kung kailangan nyo ng extra housemates. Ay, si
Kuya.
Roxanne! Andin si
Ay,
Roxanne.
Roxanne, hello, Roxanne.
Oh, thanks guys. So, kung gusto nyo guys na PBB kung kailangan nyo ng dalawa,
Hello po, kuya.
Kuya,
Ano po, kuya?
sorry kuya kung natulog ako sa CR. Hindi na kuya.
Oh my God.
Wala
Si Lucas, guys. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Sino kasama nyo? I'm with Cairo, pero also with Egypt and Tofi. Go check them out. Sa TikTok, sa everywhere.
Oh, yung brand. What brand?
Nakita ba yung brand? Feel ko habang I was taking a sip, nakita.
I'm looking for the video, bro.
My bad, guys.
Tough.
Kailan ulit yung mga vlogs? I'm trying to make more vlogs. Sa future, pagka nagka-sked kami ulit, I will make more vlogs. Para you can parang a day in the life na ganun of being Horizon, ganun guys, so that you can experience it on your own, di ba?
Bro, what's the title of this song? No, I don't have tunes, bro.
This one?
No, this one. Let's do this.
Pogi naman ni Kai, grabe.
Bro, di ba? Tough nga si Franz dyan.
Price tag.
Yes,
Bro,
it's good, bro.
alam mo yung TikTok na, ano yung, okay, tayo gagawa Marcos.
Sige,
It's okay, bro.
Let's do it.
Hindi mo pa nga alam eh, pero let's do it na, gago.
Siyempre, para sa'yo, bro.
Okay.
Basta ikaw. Nandito ba sila?
There's a TikTok, bro. What? Naka-off ba, bro?
You guys have to wait for me to know.
Oh,
Also, he's gonna bring you home.
Galing nyo ng Summer Blast. Thank you, guys.
eto, yun na. Need you.
Okay. Okay, sige. Okay, sige.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes kasi magtitiktok kami.
Wait lang, I can't hear it, bro.
Can I see myself muna? Baka... Okay lang
Do you want any...
Hindi, okay na yan.
Bro, kamali ako.
Wait, nag-start tayo.
Nang ano?
Content.
Yeah,
Do you want
nagtitiktok
to
kami
sit
right
here,
now.
bro? Do you know yung TikTok na, and I love you, and I miss you.
Ganun mo lang sa
Ayun nga, okay. Sorry, bro.
Natatawa siya eh. Okay, sige, go. Isa pa, isa pa.
I look bad eh.
No, you don't, bro. Pogi mo nga eh.
Ang cringe ko.
No,
Tagalin natin,
ay.
tagalin natin.
Sige. Dito natin nilalagay.
Sa atin na.
Yes! Tough.
Bro, cringe. Puro mukha ko nakakaya. I don't like, bro. Sorry, guys.
No, it's cringe.
But I like it.
Fuck you like everything.
I like it. Yeah, I like
Oh,
it.
bro, it's so cringe, bro. Pero like, it's fun kasi. Like,
Pero guys, we have to go na kasi when I take more TikToks.
what if gawin mo sa'yo and I'll do it
Yes.
with Marcos, do it with
No, bro.
Egypt?
Like, what you mean?
Yeah.
Bro,
Why?
ito, wala naman, nakikita niyo ba yun?
What did I say?
Stop. Okay.
Nice. Okay guys, we're gonna end na talaga kasi we're gonna take more TikToks, okay? So yeah guys, thank you.
Where I want that song.
Diba? I just it, bro.
Bye.
Kasi it's
Love
funny.
you guys.
What is it?
We're just gonna take TikToks. Kaya hintayin mo na lang yung mga TikToks namin guys.
Kasi ang funny din naman
Sophie,
niya, bro.
Egypt, Cairo, Marcos, kami na apat. We're gonna take TikToks. So check nyo yung account namin guys. So yeah. Okay. Bye guys. You guys wanna say bye? Bye.
Pasensya, bro.
Let's go. Let's go.